in this case is the fundamental legal principles, and the problem is that the wrong principles were applied to evaluating the sales comparison evidence, the specific holding by the Court of Appeals that pervaded its decision and provide the basis to affirm the circuit court and embrace the city's assessor was that vacant properties, just by virtue of vacancy, that there is no business operating on them, that is categorically disqualifying. And those are, I submit, clear statements of law that the Court of Appeals applied. And to clarify what our primary argument is on the dark store issue, Your Honor, is just that bright line rule, that categorical prohibition is not proper, and this area doesn't generally lend itself to that.
While the petitioner is challenging legal theories that arguably weren't even applied in this case, what this case really boils down to is the petitioner's challenge to the factual and the credibility, the factual findings and the credibility assessments of the circuit court. Justice Hagedorn, I think you acknowledged that as well in your questioning, which is petitioner obviously has issues with those and challenges those. But in order for the court to address the question as presented by the petitioner, we have to assume that factual findings that were made that were not in fact made. There was no, we can be clear, there was no categorical exclusion of comparable properties simply because they were vacant.